Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Windows 11 is rolling out a brand new, highly anticipated recovery feature that could be a lifesaver: point-in-time restore. Now, you might be familiar with the old system restore, but this new tool is different. It's more comprehensive. It takes a full snapshot of your entire operating system, your installed apps, your settings, and your personal files. By default, it works by taking automatic snapshots every 24 hours and keeping them for 3 days. It's designed to get you back up and running quickly if a bad update, a new driver, or a software installation breaks something. I'm going to start by trying to enable point-in-time restore on the normal, regular version of Windows 11, the standard public build, not Canary, Dev, or Beta. Right now, Microsoft is rolling this feature out gradually, so depending on your version, it might not be visible yet. That's why I'm first going to try enabling it using a tool called ViveTool. ViveTool allows us to turn on hidden or experimental Windows features that Microsoft hasn't fully released to everyone. As you can see, the point-in-time restore is not visible. There is only the quick machine recovery. Let us download the ViveTool. Extract the downloaded file. Rename the folder to something shorter, like ViveTool, then copy it to the root of the C drive. Copy the path to the folder and then open a command prompt as admin. Now run this command to try to enable the point-in-time restore. You will now need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And if that still doesn't work, like here, do not worry. It will work in a future update or show up automatically without using the ViveTool. Let me switch over to the Windows 11 Insider Dev channel on my virtual machine, where new Windows features usually appear earlier. That way we can see point-in-time restore in action, even if it's not yet available on the stable version. The ViveTool is already installed. Let us check if the point-in-time restore is enabled by default. As you can see, it is not. Let us run the ViveTool command and restart the machine. As you can see, it is now enabled on the Windows 11 on Dev channel. Click on it and enable it. You can change the default restore point frequency and retention if you want, say, if you save data all the time, even the disk usage. Okay, now for the important part, how to use it when your system is unstable. The restore process must be initiated from the Windows recovery environment. Hold the Shift key and restart the machine to get into the Windows recovery environment. You can only do this if you're able to boot into your OS. If not, they are ways to boot into Windows recovery environment. Look them up. Click on the troubleshoot menu, but it should look like this if restore points are created. And restore points will appear like this. You should still use OneDrive, file history, or cloud backups. Restore points may disappear if disk space is limited. And that's it. Windows 11's point in time. Restore is a robust, modern way to fix major system issues. It's designed to be automatic and easy to use when you're in a pinch. If you want more Windows 11 tips, recovery tutorials, and feature breakdowns, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.